Hey, plant peeps. Feeling stuffy and sluggish indoors? Did you know your green friends can be nature's air purifiers? Houseplants don't just look pretty, they act like tiny superheroes. Meet our green guardians, the unsung heroes of indoor air purification. Top 5 indoor plants for air purification. 1. Snake plant Sansevieria. This low-maintenance plant is known for its air-purifying abilities and its tolerance for a wide range of conditions. It can remove formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air, and it thrives in low light and infrequent watering. 2. Peace lily Spathiphyllum. This elegant plant produces beautiful white flowers and is effective at removing benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air. It prefers indirect sunlight and moist soil, but it will tolerate some neglect. 3. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. This easy-to-grow plant produces spiderettes that can be easily propagated to share with friends and family. It removes formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air, and it thrives in a variety of lighting conditions. 4. Golden pothos epipremnum aureum. This fast-growing vine is known for its heart-shaped leaves and its ability to remove formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. It tolerates low light and infrequent watering, making it a great choice for busy plant owners. 5. Areca palm dipsis lutescens. This graceful palm adds a touch of the tropics to any home and is effective at removing formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the air. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and likes its soil moist. But don't worry, it's pretty forgiving if you miss a watering or two. So there you have it, our top picks for indoor plants that not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also act as natural air purifiers. Let nature's green guardians transform your indoor environment into a healthier and happier space.